Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the super easy process of creating a back page in Canva using a template. Whether you're putting together a booklet, a report, or even a simple brochure, having a well-designed back page really pulls the whole project together. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set this up smoothly, and you'll see how effortless it can be with Canva's tools, even if you're brand new to design. Alright, let's jump right in. First, head over to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, signing up is free and only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Canva dashboard. Here, look for the purple Create a Design button, usually in the top right corner. Go ahead and click that. In the search bar that pops up, type the word cover. This is important because searching for cover will bring up a range of templates that are designed for things like books, reports, or portfolios. These templates give you a great starting point, and you don't have to design your pages from scratch. Think of it like picking out a strong frame for your painting. It sets the tone for the rest of your work and gives a polished look right from the get-go. Now, once you see the list of templates, take a moment to scroll through and pick one that fits the feel you're going for. Don't just focus on the visuals, consider how the layout and style will fit your project. For instance, a classic minimalist design might suit a professional report, while bold colors and graphics could be great for a creative portfolio. Once you find one you like, just click on it to open it up in the editor. Here's a handy trick. Instead of starting from scratch for the back page, we're going to make use of the template you just selected. In Canva, look at the bottom of your editor where it shows your pages. Right now, you probably only see one page, the cover. Hover your mouse over the page's thumbnail and you'll see a little icon to duplicate the page, usually a pair of overlapping squares. Click that and bam, you've made a copy of your cover page. So why do we duplicate? Here's the deal. Duplicating the cover keeps your design consistent so the back page matches the style of the front. It's like making sure both the opening and closing pages of a book look like they belong together. But for the back page, you'll want to make a few simple edits. Double-click on the text fields and replace or delete any titles, author names, or extra info you don't need on the back. Maybe swap out the image for your logo, contact details, or a simple thank you message. Less is often more here. Remember, the back page usually serves as a finishing touch, so keep it clean and uncluttered. Take your time with the editing. If you get stuck deciding what to put on the back, think about what you'd like your reader to see after they've finished your document. Maybe it's your website, social media handles, or just a subtle matching design element from the cover. Once you're happy with your back page, you're almost done. Hit the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download. Choose your preferred file type. PDF works great for print, while PNG or JPG is perfect if you're sharing it digitally. This might take a few moments, especially if you've included high-res images, so don't worry if your computer is thinking for a second. And that's it, you've created a polished back page for your project using a Canva template. Pretty straightforward, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Got any questions or want to share how your back page turned out? Drop a comment below. I love seeing your designs and helping you out. And if you want more easy Canva and design tips, make sure you subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.